We'll start with the Mustard R43 size 12 dry fly hook. There's some sheer 40-knot olive tying thread. We'll just put a bit of tying thread at the back here. Remove that. Then we want a little bunch of coq de leon, like this, but what we want to do is just roll it in between our fingers so it goes all over the place. We don't want this to stay together like a dry fly tail. A little bit shorter, and we don't want to go all the way back, just back to the hook point. 2 turns more. There we go, that's good. You can go forward just to secure that body. There we are. Then a little bit of squirrel bright dubbing. We don't need much. Very quick pattern this, and an amazing effective fishing pattern. And we just wind that in there. Go with that. Go forward. Little pinch more. And when you're fishing this, and let it float and give it a slow pull so it dives under the surface and pops up again. Let's pull that long one out. There we go. That's good. Then we need 2 CDC hackles on top of each other. And we'll just make a couple of loose turns there and pull these through. Just make sure that they're lying correctly. Those will do us like that. And then we can just tighten those up. Like so. We can pull everything back. Gone a little bit too far forward there. Get everything back and go over those again. Just make sure that these are lying correctly. That's good. I'll do is just find there a peacock herl. We'll tie this in along the thorax. Tying thread. Forward. Tie that off 2 or 3 turns, and then we fold it back a few turns over it. Remove that. Get our tying thread back in position. Fold over the wing case. Just position it. That's a little bit wrong. There we are, that's good. Couple of turns. Remove that down to the hook eye and work our way back. Give it a whip finish. And that's all there is to it. It's an absolutely fabulous pattern. When you're fishing it, pull it long, slow pull so it dives, and then let it pop up again. Tighten the sizes and colours you require for matching your hatch. If you enjoy the videos, please like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.